Welcome to Module 3 Environment. Here, the first topic is the water pollution. Waste from industries and farms, sewage from homes and hospitals are thrown into rivers, lakes, oceans, and streams and causing water pollution. Effect of water animals. Factory waste contains poisonous substances which affects and often kills fishes and other water animals. Drinking such water or eating such fish can even make humans ill. Here in the picture, the fish is saying, "Hey man, you got the careful with my home." Means the fish is warning us that we should not pollute the water area or the region where the fishes are living. Means we should stop polluting the water because their life is in danger. So that is why they are requesting the human beings not to pollute their home. Diseases are caused due to water pollutions. The diseases are drinking water polluted by sewage contains germs causing diseases like dysentery, jaundice, or typhoid. So these are the diseases which are caused due to drinking of the polluted water. And sometimes these diseases are fatal for our life, means they harm our life. It can cause to death also. Now the next topic is soil and land pollution. Farmers use chemicals to kill weeds and insects and fertilizers to grow more crops. When these are used in excess, the soil gets polluted, which causes soil and land pollution. Here in the picture you can see the garbage is dumped in the open areas. When it rains, these chemicals gets washed into wells, rivers and lakes and poisons our drinking water. Poisonous waste of factories are buried in land and thus they pollute the land. We throw solid waste like plastic and glass bottle, old machine parts, rubber tubes, cans in garbage dumps. These are non biodegradable and cannot be destroyed easily. Thus, they add in the land pollution. And when they are burned, they give out poisonous gases that cause air pollution. So, children, we should stop practicing such things. Then comes the noise pollution. Too much of noise in the atmosphere or in your surrounding causes noise pollution. Loud noises from vehicles, loud speaking, and machinery can harm people. This can cause blood pressure and deafness in people and animals. So, it is affecting human beings as well as animals' life, the noise pollution. Living near airports can be very harmful to the ears. The loud sound of the aeroplanes are causing disturbance to us. Loud music also causes the noise pollution. Now, too much of noise, the person gets irritated. The industrial production noise, moving and horning vehicles, then aeroplanes flying over, then music from discos, or the neighbor's dog barking. These are the causes of the too much of noise around us. So, we should not prefer to be in the noise polluted area. Natural resources. Our survival on earth depends on the things that our environment provides us, like air, water, soil, food, fuel materials to build our houses and make our clothes. So, children, these are the natural resources which we get from the nature. As you can see in the picture, the first picture is of air, then water, then soil, trees, forest, wildlife, etc. These all are the natural resources which we get from the nature. We are using more of these resources today than we did a few years ago. Example, petrol, diesel, and other fuels. Scientists believe that these resources might soon run out because overusing of everything can cause to the depletion. So, due to pollution of air, water and soil, the natural resources quality is getting affected. So, we should avoid using excess of the natural resources if we want to save our environment. Now, the question comes, how to save our environment? What we can do to save our environment? The first point is use of alternate source of energy like wind and solar energy. Then we have the second point, that is efforts to control air, water and soil pollution are being taken. Means we should do something, we should put some effort to protect air, water and soil pollution. Cutting down of trees is being reduced and more trees are planted to conserve soil and wildlife. Air pollution can be reduced if people use public transport such as buses instead of car and walk, or use bicycles for short distance travel. We should prefer using bicycles, or we should prefer by going by walking. Farmers must be taught safer ways of farming and too much use of fertilizers and pesticides must be avoided. We should avoid using the fertilizers and pesticides because it is affecting the health of the soil also, and it is affecting the health of the human beings also. Bottle jars, cans and newspaper must be reused and recycled as much as possible. We should follow the 2 R's like reuse and recycle for these bottle jars, cans and newspaper.